All right, now that we have our eggs in our pizza crust, I'm gonna grab some bacon bits and I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of bacon bits on each of our eggs. You can use whatever breakfast meat you prefer. I just feel like these little bacon bits are the perfect size for our little egg cups that we're making. These are so delicious, so easy, and so customizable. We're gonna quickly get this bacon in there and then we're gonna add some more goodness. You can add whatever you like though. Okay, perfect. Next, I'm gonna come in with some green onion, just a light little sprinkle of green onion on here. You could use chives instead. I honestly don't know the difference between the two. All I know is that green onion is delicious. Okay.
I think chives are just smaller.
They come from the same family though.
I have no clue, to be honest. Maybe the comments will let us know.
Yeah. Okay, once we get that on there, we're gonna go ahead and do a quick little seasoning. I have some black pepper that we're just gonna get on each of our eggs. Season it how you like, but I just think black pepper is a necessity on eggs. Now I used a pizza crust for this, but you could also use a pie crust, a puff pastry, whatever you like. And then of course, you guys know, can't eat anything without garlic powder. Oh my goodness, look how quickly and easily these are coming together. Looks so delicious already. Now, before we add our last ingredient, I'm just gonna grab my fork and I'm gonna break up these yolks a little bit, get that seasoning mixed in, just add a little bit of, you know, tastier texture, because I personally don't like a full yolk when I eat my eggs. This one already broke up for me. Half my job is already done. But just super quickly, give it a quick little mix. All right, now these are ready for cheese. I have some Colby and Monterey Jack shredded cheese, and we're just gonna do a light sprinkle right on top of each one. Look how delicious these are going to be. Okay, now I think some mozzarella would be good on this, some regular cheddar, some pepper jack, whatever you like. If you want to add a little bit of heat, you can add some ham, some sausage. You can do a combination with 3 different meats all in one muffin pan, whatever you like. Yum! Okay, I am now gonna bring in my pizza cutter so that we can split up this pizza dough. We're just cutting in between each cup, just like so. Being careful to give enough dough to each one. So easy, so convenient. Just really make sure you cut through. Okay, these are nice and cut, and now we're just gonna kind of fold them inward just like this. Extra gentle so that the egg doesn't pop out. Super easy, it doesn't need to be fully covered. It's just kind of creating like almost like a little egg dumpling. Yummy.
They look delicious.
They're gonna be incredible, you guys. Okay. All right, last one. She wants to spill out, that's totally fine. My oven is set to 350 and these are gonna bake for about 20 minutes. It's super quick. All right, these look so good, you guys. Oh my goodness. All right, my family loves the heat, so we're gonna add a little bit of sriracha on top of the entire pan, because sriracha is the best breakfast sauce. Obviously, this is optional. If you don't like sriracha, don't put it on there. Oh my goodness.
The aroma is outrageous.
Yeah. Okay, I think I'm just gonna go for this one. It looks perfect. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's perfectly cooked.
They're so cute.
Okay, gotta give this a good try. Look at that. So good.